Hello everyone, I am Vidyashree Rathod and I am giving seminar on research challenges for IoT. Let's see it.
Giving my seminar on research issues, challenges, and directions in IoT. So let us see what is Internet of Things. IoT is all about things, connectivity, data, analytics. The Internet of Things refers to the ever growing network of physical objects that features an IP address for internet connectivity and the communication that occurs between these objects and the other internet enabled devices and systems. In simple words, Internet of Things is a con- ecosystem of connected physical objects that are accessible through the internet. Next, it is also referred to as machine to machine, Skynet, or Internet of Everything. Here is the components of IoT: smart systems and Internet of Things. Uh, Things are driven by a combination of sensors, connectivity, and third one is a people and process. So why IoT? It means why we need it. In first one, dynamic control of industry and daily life, improve the resource utilization ratio, interrogating human society and physical systems. So next, flexible configuration and acts as a technological integrator, universal internetworking. So here is what is the scope of IoT. Internet of Things can connect devices embedded in various systems to the internet. When devices objects can represent themselves digitally, they can be controlled from anywhere. The connectivity then helps capture more data from more places, ensuring more ways of increasing efficiency. So here is a corporate aspects. IoT is a transformational force that can help companies improve performance through IoT analytics and IoT security to deliver better result. Business in the utilizes oil, gas, insurance, manufacturing, transportations, infrastructure, and retail sectors can reap the uh, benefits of IoT by making more informed decisions, aided by the torrent of directional and transactional data at their disposal. So here is how can IoT help us. So let us see. IoT platform can help organization reduce cost through improved process efficiency, asset utilization, and productivity. Next, the growth and convergence of data, processes, and things on the internet would make such a connections more relevant and important, creating more opportunities for people, business, and industries. So here is we can see current status and future prospects of IoT. So in 2003, world population is 6.3 billion. Connected devices are 500 million, and connected devices per person 0.08 in 2003. And next 2010, world population is 6.8 billion. and connected devices are 12.5 billion. And here increases connected devices per person is a 1.84. So next 2015 world population is a 7.2 billion and connected devices are 25 billion. And as also connected devices per person is 3.47. And year 2020 world population is 7.6 billion and connected devices are 50 billion. And per person is 6.58. By the year 2020 there will be a lot more connected devices than people on the earth. So we can see here peoples are less and the devices are more. Here is a gateway to the future, cloud service and a plus platform. Here we can see here smart city, smart hospital, smart highway and smart factory. This is a intelligence digital signature. Here all are logistic optimization and a factory optimization, traffic flow optimization, home energy management, and commons network optimization, hospitals and smart grid, integrated operation center and stadium. Here all these are connected to cloud services and platforms. This is a gateway to the future. And we can see here progress index, growth in the internet of things. The sky is not the limit, it's only the beginning with the IoT. Here is a economic aspects of IoT. Let us see what are applications of IoT. Here education, food, pharma, pharmaceuticals. It means so. Just wait. It means a compound manufactured for use as a medicinal drug. And logistics, retail management. Here we can see how much more IoT can do is only left to your imagination. Here are applications, overall popularity and scores. Here applications are smart home, wearables and smart city, smart grid, industrial internet, connected car, connected health, smart retail, smart supply chain, smart farming. Here challenges faced by IoT. At present, IoT is faced with the many challenges like scalability, security, technical requirements, technological standardization, software complexity. Solution to the challenges. Previous we can see we seen about challenges faced by IoT, and here are solutions for it. Several solutions are proposed to overcome the problems. Some of them are overcoming compatibility issues is a significant IoT hurdle, but emer- emerging companies are starting to the enable increased interoperability through open source development. Governments and industry bodies needs to set standards and regulations for the various industries to ensure that data is not misused. IoT need strong authentication methods, encrypted data, and a platform that can track irregularities on a network. Here is conclusion. Projection for the impact of IoT on the internet and economy are impressive, with some anticipated anticipating as many as 100 billion connected IoT devices and global economic impact of more than 11 trillion by 2025. The potential economic impact of IoT is huge, but the journey to IoT adoption is not a seamless one. There is many challenges that face companies looking to implement IoT solutions. However, the risks and disadvantages associated with IoT can be overcome. Here is the references and last one. In a nutshell, choose what you are good at. Learn machine learning and AI. AI means artificial intelligence. Try prototyping using Arduino and PI. Use cloud platforms. Try multidisciplinary. So I hope this IoT this